Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sholape aka CP Vibes aka S-Man. You guys, this is my third premiere this year. Yes, I'm going for the Adire movie premiere. Right now, I'm supposed to be here by 6. It's already 3:30. I need to slim fit my gown, go to the salon. This is the first time I'm actually going to get professional makeup and professional gilly side. Right now, I'm not in the mood for that. Like, I'm not in the mood for making myself up. And honestly speaking, I don't even know, man. Sosha, come with me. I'm hoping everything goes well because my load is plenty. But yeah, I'm hoping everything goes well.
PSA, this is not an in-depth video. It is designed to just be a summary of how the premiere went. So come along.
I just thought it was the film house at Jakonde that we're going to, but apparently we're going to the one in Lekki IMAX. So I didn't plan for this. But like, come with me. So we're on to hair and makeup. I'm at this shop. I'm about to get my makeup.
A few moments later.
Back on my bullshit. It's actually Seku Mall. The Seku Mall, not IMAX or Lekki. So yeah, we're back here. I'm just sitting outside. I don't want to go in yet. I personally think it's weird how, although I've gone to 3 different premieres, I've actually watched none of the movies. I've actually watched the Barbie movie, but I did not watch it at the premiere because they always start so late. They start screening it from 10 p.m. I really like the structure of this premiere. Although we started a bit behind schedule, it was scheduled to start by 6 p.m. I would say the red carpet started at about 7:30, 8 p.m. Y'all, these guys are literally the cutest. Like, they're so silly and goofy. Let me tell you, immediately after making this video, they were cracking up with laughter. Like, yo, I was even laughing because one thing I love and hate about the red carpet is how celebrities are literally just celebrities for the camera. Once you're done with your shoots, that's the end of you. No one really cares about where you're coming from or where you're going to. It's simply funny, to be honest. You just know anywhere there's food, Sholape is gonna be there. I had jollof rice, small chops, had 2 glasses of wine, and I was full. I had to call it a day because ciao. So they've gone to the screen to watch the movie. I want to order my ride and go home. I'm not watching the movie with anybody. We're going back home now. It was actually such a fun event and I actually had fun. I ate a lot. I'm happy. I'm actually happy. Like, the celebrities are still outside having fun. They're already screening the movie and watching. Like, people are still outside and just chilling. Like, people are laughing. This is a premiere and I'm so happy I got to attend. Bye guys. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye guys.